noodles.
AKA sesame chicken and asparagus pasta.
Oh, yeah.
Wash your hands, because that's important.
Mine already washed.
First, we are going to preheat the oven. Come on over here. Hold the chicken. 3, 50, start.
Shut up, Willis.
I'm not with it. Cucumber.
We're going to cut the cucumber. Like so. Peel the cucumber. Oh, yeah.
Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a cucumber. Cut it in. It's slippery. Like. These cut so much better than the ones at my house. Go ahead.
Scallions!
The ends off, right?
Actually, cut the greens off, and then we cut the white down to the edge.
I told you, Lindsay was wrong.
What? Who was wrong?
You.
How was I wrong? I said cut the greens off and then cut down to the white.
Shut up!
You said the other
Shut
way.
up! Melanie's gonna do her fancy.
Now we show off the asparagus! And put it in a bowl!
Trust and believe, I will.
Leave that there, and then we'll
Dump the chicken.
Yay!
The first thing we do is rinse it, because we don't want salmonella.
No, we don't.
Son! Lindsay wants to put the chicken in the oven now. She wants to taste.
See what the dogs are up to. But
We're going to put the chicken in for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Got that? There's Willow. Molly. Sarah.
Ingredients for the sauce.
We have creamy reduced fat peanut butter spread. We got Italian red wine vinegar. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Chili oil. Brown sugar. And less sodium soy sauce. We are now starting on the sauce.
Okay. First, we add 3 cloves of garlic, which is 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. This is a lot, but it's awesome. And half cup of soy sauce. It gives it 3 sizes that big.
Red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon. Oh, there they are. I'm a dumbass.
Now you're straight. No, I'm just kidding.
Red wine. so we're done with that. Okay, I'm gonna mix that up a little bit. And since my queens aren't broken, we have to do that. Okay, we're now going to add 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. Where's making peanut noodles? What? One. 3. 4. And 5.
That was 6.
Oh, 6.
You only did 5.
Damn it. Let's do the other hand now. Light my finger. And mix that. Oh, you can already see it. While that is going, he's going to point it towards here a little bit. While that is going, we put our sesame oil in. 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then a 1 teaspoon of chili oil, because this
I'll put extra in my own bowl.
see how it tastes. Bread. Second.
Can't taste it.
Chicken is done, and now Kate's cutting it up. It's boiling, so we can put a little salt in there. And a little bit of oil so noodles can separate. Yummy, yummy. In my so little chunks. Then I put the pasta in. And while the pasta is cooking, we are making boiling water for the asparagus to cook in. Molly? Molly! Molly! You have the weirdest neck ever. Hi, Willow. Willow.
I would
Doggies smell like chicken. What? What? And when the asparagus is almost done, you add some butter. Yummy, yummy. A nice green color. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Pasta's almost done. 47 seconds. 6. Whoosh. Yeah. Everything's done. Can't strain it.
And And the dogs are playing.
Fergus?
Spurgus?
Okay, if we lose them, we'll just throw you away from the first. Now the pasta.
Al dente?
Yup.
Yeah.
Ooh, hot.
Your glasses are all foggy.
This is great for your pores.
Wow. Can we eat now? Don't cough in the pasta.
Okay, now time to put everything in pot. Chicken. Scallions and cucumber. Mix it up together and what do you get? Pasta! Salt in.
Oh my god.
Holy Jesus, look at that. It looks like chocolate. That's why when I was a kid I called them chocolate noo-noos.
Noo-noo. Until you found out there's no chocolate in it.
Yeah. That was a bad day. But then I found out there was peanut butter and then I made me happy again. Okay. Now, put some pasta in. I don't put all of it in at once, because you don't know. Sauce, and I put all of it to cover. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'd probably eat outside because it's so nice out there.
Yeah. Oh my god. You ever want to give your mouth an orgasm? Make peanut butter noodles.
Okay.
Ow.
We are done.
Done.
We'll taste the tester.
Mmm.
Get everything on there. A little bit too much pasta, but it's okay. Woo!
How is it? Alright, say bye.
Come on.
Oh. Excellent dinner.
Oh.